Hi food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making Nigerian puff puff. So you're going to get your clean bowl and pour in all your ingredients. I'm using some flour, some sugar, some yeast, a little bit of vanilla powder, some nutmeg powder, and some milk. Now I'm going to put all the measurements of these ingredients in the description box below so you can make yours. So don't worry. I mix this all together with a spatula first before going in with my hands. You want to mix this thoroughly until you have a jelly-like consistency, not too thick or too watery. Then you're going to set this aside in a warm place to rise for about 30 to 45 minutes will do. And we're waiting. After 45 minutes, this is what it looks like. You can see that it has doubled in size and you just want to puff out all that extra air. And then we're going to go ahead and fry the puffs. So you're going to heat up some oil and you want this to be very hot, but then you're going to fry it on a medium to high heat. You're not frying this on high heat, medium high basically. Then you're going to wait for the oil to be very hot. I tested it with those to ignore how they look. And it's better to use a plastic spoon to drop this in. I do not know how to do the traditional pouring it in with your hand. So I used a plastic spoon that I had dipped in some oil so that the batter doesn't stick to the oil. And then I just poured in the batter into the oil. And you can see it's floating to the top. If your oil is not hot enough, it won't float to the top and it won't fry. So once it was all golden brown, I took it out of the pan and I did this for the other batches. Just look at how golden and yummy it's looking. I'm going to go ahead and break open one so you can see how fluffy it is on the inside. I hope you'll be trying this recipe, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.